Welcome back to my channel. My name is Elena, for those who don't know, and for those who do, welcome back. Since it's basically fall already, I thought it would be fun to show you what my morning routine is and how I basically get ready in the morning. First off, I'm going in with my CeraVe Acne Control Cleanser. This is basically the first product I use to clean my face, get off any dirt that might be there on my skin, you know, the typical cleanser. Second, I go in with my facial toner, which Hazel. This is basically just helping me get rid of any mist dirt that my cleanser may not have gotten. It's supposed to balance out the pH in my skin, so that's the second product I use. I just went in with my CeraVe Restoring Retinol Serum. This was just basically to help with any dark spots I may have. I have a lot of dark spots from picking at my skin a lot from my acne, so I'm using it to try to either get rid of it or just minimize it. My morning routines can vary by day depending what I have to get done on the to-do list. So like for today, I am getting ready as normal. By the way, I'm going in with my CeraVe Eye Repair Cream, and I'm just tapping that around my eye, making sure it's absorbed. Today's routine is basically a habit that I want to be consistent in the morning, make sure I'm ready to take on the day. And you know, putting this eye cream on, the girl doesn't have a very consistent sleep schedule, so I'm trying to help these dark under eye circles I have. Next, I'm going in again with my CeraVe Facial Moisturizing Lotion. It has SPF 30, and then I'm going to be combining that with my Bio Oil Skincare. It's basically just to help with the acne scars that I do have right now. So I just kind of put this all over my face in areas that I need moisturize. It's a lot more than I need, but you gotta take care of the skin, ladies. I think it's better to learn now how to take care of your skin so it's easier when you get older and to get into that habit. Plus, it's a form of self-care. I'll be honest, growing up, I was not taught on how to properly take care of my skin and what products to use, not to pick at your skin, and I still did it all growing up, and so now I obviously learned how to properly take care of my skin. Now with technology and TikTok, it's kind of helped me learn what different products are for, and ever since I started trying them out, my skin has been feeling a lot better, a lot cleaner. I feel like I look a lot dewier, glowier. Gotta stay fresh, looking young. Lastly, I go in with my jade roller. I like to freeze this because it feels really good, especially in the morning. And then I just use this to roll the product deeper into my skin, make sure my skin absorbs all the goodies. I'm gonna make sure we get around the eye. Now when you're using a jade roller, you want to start from the inner of your face and roll out. Now not a lot of people have to do this. I like to do it. It's the extra step of pushing all of the inflammation you may have in your skin. This came in with the package when I bought the jade roller. It's basically this jade stone. I don't know how to describe the shape, but if you see a wonky heart, you're using the right product. This crease, I use the longer part of where above my chin, and I kind of just push this back. And I do this like 10 times on each face, so this is 3. And then I use this outer edge to just push this back. I don't really count this area. I kind of just go at it. You don't want to use too much pressure though. Not trying to pull your skin too much. Lastly, I go down the neck, make sure all that is taken care of. And just like that, the skin routine is done. Nice, clean, and glowy.
About what we've been through, the world can be a long 'cause every time you tell me I look good in bed, I'm doing fine, but nothing ever changes. And now I see, baby, you are hurting me. Stuck in repeat. Stop lying. I know you playing your part, but baby, it's breaking my heart. Is it over? How could I know?
See, the reason why I clean the living room first in the morning is because the dogs hang out in this room most of the day. We usually have sleepovers in this living room as well, and you can imagine with 2 dogs how much hair accumulates in this one area, and the allergies hit heavy. So I mostly try to keep this clean every day.
Who is she? How can you reject me so damn easily? Who are you and what are we? Baby, baby, you are really hurting me. I know you play your part, but baby, it's breaking my heart. Is it over? How could I know? If you don't need me, just let me know and I'll go. I know you playing your part, but baby, it's breaking my heart. Is it over?
아직도 난 모르겠어 널 바라봐도 just caught in your love 많이도 난 널 좋아했나봐 힘들어 보여 옆에서 말했어 한순간이었지 bittersweet tell me not got me going crazy someone just tell me why 하듯이 내게서 더 멀어지지 마 baby you 오직너만 baby you 사랑이 없어도 난 곁에 있고 싶어 난 아주 잠시만 Someone tell me what I need to do to make this feel right I just want you in my life Keep you warm and nice
Don't wanna be a one-man woman. Got me stranded like a boat in the sand. Just the thought of not spreading my wings drives me crazy. Dressing up, fixing my strut. Always prepared, you never know who shows up around the corner. Maybe it's that director. Oh, I can sing, I can dance, I can learn to smoke.
Bands will make her dance. Bands will make her dance.
1, 2.
That's right. I'm all about you tonight. Grab somebody sexy, tell them hey.
Don't tell me to go slow. Slowly on the wrist, it's I'm trying. Why am I so irresponsible? Chance for success. The sooner the better, 'cause I'll be the best. But I draw the line at getting undressed.
Hey guys, it might sound a little loud. I'm in my car, that's why. But I just finished getting back from school campus, or I'm technically still on school campus. I just had to do a quick thing, drop off some documentation, basically just my ID to prove, I guess, I exist. But they needed it to complete my financial aid, so now FAFSA knows I also exist, and hopefully I can get some financial aid and some help for spring semester that's coming up. So it's pretty much 2:45. The morning routine ended like long ago. It just took a lot longer to film, so if I wasn't filming, my morning routine would have ended like a long time ago. That's it. That was pretty much for my morning routine. I hope you guys enjoyed. I had fun filming it for you. Hopefully the next time I get to see you in another video. Don't forget to subscribe, and I appreciate all you guys. Love you.
See you next time. Bye.